I'm Senator Morgan LaMantia, and I'm here in Galveston County, where we just left the TWIA board meeting, where they voted to increase TWIA premium rates by 10%. And I am here fighting for you. After a hurricane hits and our properties and our homes get decimated, we on the coastal communities have to continue to fight. We have to fight our appraisal districts and the increase of our property values, because the comptroller tells us our properties are valued too low. We have to fight our insurance companies to make sure we get our claims paid. We have to fight TWIA, who needs to increase rates to replenish their funds. And at the same time, we're trying to fight to rebuild. But God forbid our schools get destroyed in that hurricane, and then our communities have to vote on a bond in order to rebuild. All of these costs are being borne solely on the shoulders of our coastal communities. And our state depends on our coast. Our coast is the biggest economic driver in Texas. We have tourism, we have energy, we have import, export, and we have the fishing industries. And the rest of the state depends on us. And we have been taken for granted for too long. Being from a border area, I understand what happens when a region is taken for granted by the rest of the state. We've seen that in our border communities. And when that happens, fixes take a very long time to happen. It becomes incredibly costly, and it becomes a bigger issue than it ever needed to be, because we didn't have the rest of the state support in fixing our problems and understanding the importance of our region of the coast to the rest of the state. So I implore all Texans who have enjoyed a sunny day on our beach, who have fished a red snapper out of our Gulf Coast, who have eaten a Gulf Coast shrimp, or who have enjoyed the economic values from our energy, our tourism, and our fishing industries along the coast, to support us, to come together and help us fight these increased insurance costs that are borne by our coastal communities. So please, let's come together, because as we all know, when people start attacking and fighting our Texans come together, and Texas fights back. My name is Senator Morgan LaMantia. We are fighting those premium rate hikes, but I need your help. There's still more to do and more that can be done. So as Texans, let's come together and support our coastal communities.